Look at this fantastic looking cake! Golden white flowers, absolutely marvellous. Excuse the pun. All you need is your vanilla cake layered with buttercream icing. You can use a food piping bag for ease. And if you don't have a food piping bag, you can just get a food storage bag. Snip a little hole in the end. We're doing 3 layers and then coating the entire outside too. We just love buttercream icing. Smooth it over. Right, now time for our fondant icing. We get white and black, press them together and give them a twist. Make that into a ball and you have a marble. Sprinkle some icing sugar and it is time to roll. You've got this wonderful marble effect. Wow, amazing. Once it's a nice thin layer of fondant icing, you can just pop it on over your cake. Gently pressing down the sides. And then cutting off any excess with a pizza cutter. What could we use the excess for, I wonder? Maybe some mini marble cakes. Stick on your fondant flowers. We've got these absolutely gorgeous giant white flowers with gold sprinkles for the centre. You can use cocktail sticks to just stick them in. Just like that. How about some leaves? And there you go, a fantastic marble cake. So beautiful, pleasing to anyone's eye. And let's not forget the main thing, pleasing to anyone's taste buds. Yum! Why not inject a little bit of colour into your life with this fantastic rainbow cake? Ooh, look at that. Very easy to make. You just need a little bit of patience and lots of food colouring. Starting with our basic vanilla cake and then layering it up with buttercream icing. You'll have to get several cakes here and colour each one with different food colouring. Slice them up and you could layer them as you like with whatever colours you like, with buttercream icing in between each layer. We're using plain white buttercream icing because it looks great between the bright coloured layers. Piping it on with ease. Use your favourite colours, alternate 2 colours if you like. We're going for a different colour for each layer because it looks amazing. A little bit more effort required, but it really does look good. So we're now piping on more buttercream icing to cover the entire outside of the cake, smoothing it over. You can use a spinning plate if you want to make it easier to do that. Also smoothing out the top area. Ready to decorate. Use a round cookie cutter to make an indent of a circle. And then using food piping bags, we're going to just pipe on buttercream icing of varying colours over half of that circle to make a rainbow. Using that indent made with a cookie cutter just helps you to keep a nice, neat semicircle shape, but you don't have to use it. It also helps you to mark out where you want to put your rainbows. And what do we find at the end of our rainbows? Marshmallows, of course! And if you don't want marshmallows, you could use other things. You could use jelly beans, Smarties, take your pick. And then for finishing touches, some buttercream icing on top. Rainbow buttercream icing splodged on top with a pile of marshmallows in the middle. Slice it up and there you have it. An absolutely perfect rainbow cake. Delicious. Have you ever wondered how to make mushrooms from strawberries? Well, wonder no longer. Nyam Nyam will show you how. Just get your strawberries and cut off the top part where the leaves are. We're going to do this several times. And then get white marshmallows, stick them on toothpicks, and then just pop your strawberry on top, sliced side down. Now we get our chocolate cupcake, cut out the centre, for a nice surprise of chocolate ganache. Or you could even use Nutella or something else in the middle if you like. Then we're going to just cover that with buttercream icing, piping it on. Now we spread it out evenly because we want to decorate it further by sprinkling some crushed green cracker on top. It kind of looks like moss. If you don't have green crackers, you could always use food colouring, colour anything green really, maybe sugar or something else that easily crumbles. And then stick in your toothpicks with your strawberry mushrooms. Several of those will do, and Bob's your uncle. There, a very lovely strawberry mushroom cupcake with a secret gooey chocolate surprise inside. Yum! If you're artistic and creative and love chocolate, you have got to try this gorgeous chocolate faulty line cake. Oh my goodness. Start with your basic chocolate cake, and we are going to layer it filled with buttercream icing. Using a food piping bag for ease to just pipe it on top of each layer. Keep going as much as you like. We're doing 3 layers. Using a spinning plate, we can just easily pipe on the rest of the buttercream icing around the outside and then use a flat knife or spatula to smooth it all over. Ready to decorate with your chocolate. We're using Merci chocolates and Maltesers. You can of course use any chocolate bars or pieces of chocolate that you like. Stick them on. Then add some more chocolate buttercream beneath and above and smooth it over. On top as well, because we're going to decorate the top with, yes that's right, more chocolate buttercream. We are piping it on with a serrated edge nozzle to create a beautiful effect and adding a chocolate on top of each. And there you have it. Fit for a queen, or maybe a princess. Or a prince. Or even a king. Who knows? I think I'll just eat it all myself. Do you love chocolate cake? Well, you've got to check out this really cool pull me up chocolate cake decoration hack by Nyam Nyam. All you need is your basic chocolate cake. You can buy it from the store or pre-make it. Just slice it in half and fill it with buttercream icing. We're using chocolate buttercream icing, of course. Then we cover the top in buttercream icing. And even all the way around the side. Why not? Let's go all in. Of course, it doesn't have to be chocolate. It can be to your liking. Once that's smoothed over, we chill it. And now comes the fun part. Let's make the chocolate ganache using dark chocolate melted in hot whipped cream. Ooh, delicious. It's very easy to make chocolate ganache and it's going to look so cool. After we've put our plastic sheet around our set cake, we can pour on the chocolate ganache. And that plastic sheet just keeps it all in place for now, so we can add our sprinkles or whatever decoration you really want to add. We're adding some gold powder too. Gently lift off the plastic sheet and let it drip down the sides. Oh my goodness, that looks chocolicious! Can you believe how super easy it is to make a very professional looking cake? You could even try this with mini chocolate cakes or cupcakes. That would be cool too, but just look at this. Almost too good to eat. Go on, I know you want to. Fancy trying something a bit different? Then why not try Nyam Nyam's rock candy cake decoration hack? It looks really interesting, doesn't it? You start by melting some rock candy in a little bit of water, heating gently on the stove. Give it a stir until all the rock candy has melted and you've got a kind of paste. Add your blue food colouring. Then we pour that out onto some baking paper. And we leave that to set. Smash it up with your fist. That's the fun part. Next, get your vanilla cake and start layering it with blue buttercream icing. Of course, if you have a favourite colour, you can change it. How about purple? Smooth that over so there's no excess sticking out. And then cover the outside with pink buttercream icing. Blue, purple and pink. This is our main colour combination, but you can use your favourite colours, whatever you like. Once that is all nicely smoothed over, we can add on some decoration. We're using more buttercream icing, purple and blue, to just add dashes of it around the outside like so. Now smooth that over, removing the excess, and you create a kind of marble effect. Start sticking on your rock candy, using these blue pebble-like shapes, all the way from the bottom to the top, up the side, and along the top, creating a kind of rock candy waterfall. And then add in your larger shards. It looks kind of like glass or ice. If you have a child that loves the movie Frozen, you could try something like this. It does look like ice, so you could stick to a blue icy effect and it would look fantastic. I'm sure Elsa would just love to be there too. A fantastic work of art, which I'm sure tastes fantastic too. Wow. Why not try it? Go on. If you want to show your love of the ocean through a cake, then this shell cake is the perfect design for you. It looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, all you need is some silicone molds. Use fondant icing to create your decorations. These are going to be stuck on the cake at the end. Do you know what's really great for this as well? Play-Doh molds, or even those molds that you get with that kids' kinetic sand. Of course, you'll have to make sure it's clean before you use it for food. But look, you get fantastic shell shapes. Now get your blue coloured cake and add on some buttercream icing. Just pipe it on there. Layer it with a vanilla cake which has not been coloured. And then once again with the blue cake. You could do it all blue if you want, or just keep it simple and plain vanilla, even chocolate. But the main thing is the outside, we are going to coat it in blue buttercream icing, creating our ocean effect. Smooth it over. Unless you want it to look like waves, that is. Ready to get creative. Bring out the artist in you by creating the effect of sand by using crushed biscuits. Digestive biscuits are really great for this. Put it all around the bottom and cover half of the top with it as well. Now stick on your fondant seashells. If you don't really fancy using fondant icing, you could also use melted white chocolate coloured with different food colourings to create your shells. Just pour in the melted chocolate to the mould and then let it set. So we're creating a kind of line from the bottom to the top, going all the way along the fake sand edge. There. Now it's time to add on your pearl sprinkles. We're using tweezers to carefully place each individual pearl. Look at that work of art. Brilliant! And there you have it, a gorgeous shell cake. Almost too good to eat. I said almost. Perfect for a themed birthday party or even a summer event. Amazing! Want a little taste of heaven?